Ladies and gentlemen, we're excited to announce that today we will be unveiling the ASUS Vivobook Go 14, which is equipped with the cutting-edge Ryzen 3 7000 series processor, to be more precise, the 7320U series processor. Featuring an elegant silver appearance, this device boasts a high-quality chassis rigorously tested to meet the stringent durability standards of the US military. With its lay-flat hinge, this laptop offers versatile usability options. Equipped with a rubber pad on the underside, this feature guarantees efficient air circulation, effectively maintaining the laptop's cool temperature even during extended periods of use. Featuring a sleek, slim body design, it includes two USB ports, one for connecting external HDD or SSD, a standard HDMI port, and a power socket. Now, let's unbox the package and eliminate the protective packaging to get a closer look at the Vivobook. Included in the package is a 45 watts adapter with a power cord, tailored to meet Asian electrical standards, designed for 220 volts AC with a 50 Hz line frequency. This adapter is equipped with an SMPS design and line regulation, ensuring it functions reliably within a voltage range of 100 volts to 240 volts. Let's delve into the technical specifications of the ASUS Vivobook. Beginning with the display, it boasts a 14-inch, 35.56 cm, full high-definition Nano Edge thin bezel LED backlit screen. Under the hood, it is driven by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U series processor with AMD RADEON graphics coprocessor. With 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a speedy 512GB SSD, this laptop ensures fast and efficient performance. In terms of connectivity, it offers two high-speed USB ports, with one dedicated to external hard drive or SSD connections, a standard HDMI port for display extension, and a power socket. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 and includes 5GB of cloud storage on Microsoft's OneDrive. Weighing a mere 1.38 kilograms, it is exceptionally lightweight. The laptop features a physical web camera shield for instant privacy, a slim design that can lay flat at 180 degrees for versatile usage, an ASUS ErgoSense keyboard, and ASUS AI noise cancellation. Additionally, it comes with a mouse pad that integrates a built-in numeric keyboard with an on/off switch. The ASUS Vivobook impressively offers a battery backup of around 10 to 12 hours under normal conditions. However, during video processing or graphics-intensive tasks, you can still rely on a backup of around 6 to 7 hours. Overall, it's a highly dependable laptop. It is also equipped with high-band wireless LAN and Bluetooth. Let's power up the laptop, and it's worth noting that the mouse pad on the laptop also includes a numeric keypad. Establish a connection to the accessible Wi-Fi network by inputting the password. Let us now finish the initial setup process. Provide a name for your computer. From this point forward, your computer will recognize you as the user. You can also establish a PIN, granting you access to the user space and related settings within Microsoft Windows 11. Please be aware that all the information used here is solely for educational and informational purposes. The credit for the products showcased or reviewed here belongs to their respective manufacturers. Now, we'll proceed to include your Microsoft account and endeavor to activate the preloaded Microsoft Office. The system is currently preparing for your use and configuring all the required settings. Here is the desktop display. You can now access Internet Explorer to surf the web. To assess its performance, we'll navigate to YouTube. The browsing experience, as well as the overall performance, is notably swift and seamless. We can also explore videos in both 8K and 4K resolutions. There is no noticeable lag in the video playback, and the sound quality is exceptionally clear and loud. The ASUS Vivobook Go 14 is a value-added laptop, delivering outstanding performance in the price range of under 35,000 rupees in the Indian market. It represents a worthwhile investment for everyday use at this price point. However, it's important to note that this laptop is not intended for gaming enthusiasts. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for tuning into this review of ASUS Vivobook Go 14. To explore more captivating technical contents, please stay connected with our channel. Don't forget to share and subscribe to iNet Tech Talk, as your support truly means the world to us.